Hello, yes students, these are questions which are beneficial for the general awareness for each person of the world, and along with this students appearing for the competitive exams and medical students, for them it is very important questions. So question number 1 is cause of milk to convert into curd, means what is the reason these are which virus, bacteria, fungus, by which reason, by which bacteria this milk converts into curd. Second question number 2, which is stem? So carrot, sweet root, potato, radish, out of these which one is are which are stems? Next is question number 3, high rate of growth. This is a high rate of growth tree, means then you have to tell name of the tree whose height growth is maximum, rate of height growth is maximum. That is the eucalyptus. The spelling may be incorrect, you will correct it. And banana, banyan tree, or the bamboo. And this question number 4, onion is leaf, stem, root, or flower. Second, the black lung disease belongs to the people who suffer from black lung disease. You have to tell answer. Where is magnesium present in plant? In plant, which part magnesium is present? And insulin produces in our body, insulin is produced. So what is the organ in which insulin is produced? Night blindness is due to deficiency of which vitamin? This is vitamin. I am written in short. And mushrooms are bacteria, fungus, virus, or plants. What will you say to the mushrooms? And question number 10, why do milk white? So I am giving you only 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, please summarize the answer, and later on I am explaining it. Okay. Yes, time is over. First, cause of milk to convert into curd, and this is the answer is casein. Due to casein, it is a chemical casein. Due to casein, milk, this is sorry, I am wrong. And this is question is 1 minute, please. Yes, so this is the lactobacillus. It is a chemical lactobacillus that converts milk to curd. Cause of milk to curd, this is the bacteria lactobacillus that converts milk to curd. Which is stem out of this? Name the stem. So in this, potato is the stem. I am telling you the potato is stem. And due to there is another question Later on I'll explain after this. And a high rate growth of the tree. So in this highest tree, in the highest height of the tree is eucalyptus, but highest growth rate in height growth rate, maximum of the banana, means banana per day increases in height with maximum rate. Next is onion is. So onion is leaf, stem, or root, or flower. It's very interesting question. That onion is leaf. So onion we eat also. But what will you say? It's very interesting and very important. Onion is stem. It appears as a leaf, but no, it is not leaf. It is stem. So I am naming, that is potato, onion, garlic, turmeric. This belongs to the stem. Garlic is also stem. And these all are underground. Next, black lung disease belongs to. So this black lung disease belongs to the coal mine workers. This disease develops in coal mine workers. Black lung disease. Where is magnesium present in the plant? In plant, there is chloroplast. In chloroplast there is chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is produced with the help of or by the magnesium. That is, magnesium is present in chlorophyll. Next is insulin produces in which part of the body? So you know it very well. In pancreas, insulin is produced. Pancreas is a gland which produces insulin. Night blindness is due to deficiency of vitamin. By which deficiency? So this is that by the deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness occurs. And mushrooms are, it is also very interesting. What will you say to the mushroom? Bacteria, fungus, virus, or plants? What will you say? What is this? It is a plant, it is virus, fungus, or bacteria. So its answer is fungus. This is fungus. By the fungus, there are so many diseases by which itching in the body takes place. Skin diseases, the cause of fungus, but so big fungus is mushroom. In our body, in skin, if there is any fungus disease, itching will take place, and by that fungus is not visible, and this fungus as a mushroom, this is also a fungus. Next is why do milk white? So why do milk white? What will you say? बताइए, try your best. Why do milk white? What will you say? So this is answer is, I am telling you, answer is casein. Due to chemical casein present in the milk, due to casein, milk is white. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any doubt, please comment me, I'll reply. So these are questions which are very important for the NEET, for medical entrance, and for the general knowledge, and along with this for the competitive exams. So please subscribe it. If you think these are very beneficial for you, please subscribe, and this question deliver to your friends, classmate, so they can also be beneficial. Okay, I wish you best of luck.